Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You must start by securing a stable base. Drop your hips and bend both knees to absorb the lift. Drive your weight into the near foot so you cannot be easily lifted. Reach quickly for the attacking leg at the ankle and post your free hand on the opponent's shoulder or hip to control posture. Once you have the ankle, rotate your body to square your hips and keep the knee behind you. That small adjustment prevents the takedown from finishing. Once you control the foot, counter by sprawling the free leg backward and dropping your hips. This shifts their angle and reduces their leverage. Turn your hips outward about 45 to 60 degrees so their lift collapses into the mat. Simultaneously, create a frame with your forearm across their face or triceps to block forward pressure. This breaks posture and buys time. Make sure to keep tension on the ankle as you work the frame. It prevents the shooter from re-establishing a secure lift. To finish, stand while keeping the ankle controlled and step away, circling toward the opponent's head to clear their base. If they roll under, follow with a leg lace or quickly transition to top half control to keep points and posture. When you stand, pull the ankle deeper to break balance, then posture up and disengage safely. If your grip slips, don't panic. Secure a hook behind the knee or transition to a collar tie and reset your base. That adjustment saves the position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.